I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on virtualization in BIOS so Android can run fast. This step matters because emulation without VT is painfully slow. Next, pick your path, WSA for Windows 11, Android x86 for native install, or an emulator for quick testing, and download the matching image and toolset. Once done, prepare a bootable USB with Rufus if using Android x86, or open Windows Features to enable Hyper-V and install the emulator so you can proceed to setup. You now install and configure the system, boot from the USB or run the WSA/emulator installer and select the target disk or create a VHD. Make sure to allocate adequate resources, give Android multiple cores and at least 8 to 16 gigabytes of storage so apps install and run properly. Once installed, enable ADB for debugging and set the network mode to bridged or NAT depending on whether you need LAN access. Also install any guest drivers or additions to improve graphics and input responsiveness. You finish by completing the Android first run. Sign into your account, install the apps you need, and tweak permissions. Then optimize performance by increasing RAM or enabling hardware acceleration and adjusting display resolution so UI is smooth. If things go wrong, first verify virtualization is still enabled and that Hyper-V or conflicting hypervisors aren't blocking your chosen method. Update GPU drivers and try toggling bridged versus NAT networking. Finally, recreate the VHD or reinstall the image only if corruption persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.